Welcome to our educational journey through the world of farm animals. Today, we are going to explore 10 of the most popular farm animals, their unique features, and how they contribute to agriculture. Let's dive in. Cows are remarkable animals with diverse uses. They're primarily raised for meat, milk, and leather. From juicy steaks to creamy milk, cows provide us with essential products for our diet and daily lives. Next up, chickens. These feathered friends are famous for their eggs and meat. Whether it's a sunny side-up breakfast or a crispy fried chicken dinner, chickens play a crucial role in our culinary adventures. Pigs. These intelligent animals are known for their tasty pork and bacon. But did you know they're also great at recycling food scraps and turning them into nutrient-rich fertilizer? Talk about multitasking. Sheep are woolly wonders. Not only do they provide us with cozy wool for sweaters and blankets, but they also supply us with delicious lamb and mutton. Plus, they're expert landscapers, helping to maintain pastures through grazing. Meet the goats. These hardy creatures are prized for their milk, meat, and even their fiber. With their curious nature and agile climbing skills, they can thrive in diverse environments, from lush meadows to rugged mountains.